Today we're going to be talking about the 6-inch ring light with adjustable tripod stand that elevates up to 6 feet from Core Audio. I'm going to be unpackaging this, unboxing it, previewing it, talk about the pricing, where I got it from, where you can get it from, along with some information that I have, what I feel about this product, and if I would use it. So before I get started, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner, that'd be great. If you can also hit the like button if I've added value with this video to you, that'd be awesome. And feel free to leave comments. I like reading your comments and responding to them. Thank you. Let's get started. So I'm going to be unboxing this and I'm actually going to build it out. So this is the front of the box, the side of the box, and this is the back. And as you can see, the tripod is 6 inches. Now I'm not going to extend the tripod. I'm just going to talk briefly about the tripod. There's more to focus just to assemble this and give you an idea of how it looks like along with it powered on. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby. Okay, so the first thing you're going to pull out is your tripod, which is this right here. So there's your tripod. So let's take a look at this tripod just briefly. So this tripod goes up to six feet. Give and take. I mean, it's over 5 feet definitely, but to me it looks like it's 6 feet. But if you want to increase the tripod, you're going to have these two levers here. You're just going to loosen the levers, and then you're going to be able to pull it up, and then you're going to tighten it to lock it. See, as you can see, the levers come up. And you're just going to tighten it. So I just want to point that out. That's how you're going to use this. The second thing is you actually want to unscrew this knob here, this black knob on top, because what this will do is this is going to allow you to stick your ring light or the tripod head onto this so it can stay positioned and on the base. So I'm just going to stick this black piece back on. And the other thing I just want to point out is this piece right here. So what this does is if you tighten it, like right now, you're not going to be able to expand this, but if you loosen it, you're going to be able to expand the tripod legs, as you can see right there. So I'm not going to expand it just for time constraint. I just want to go in and start building the ring light. So I'm going to lock it back up. And what this here is that you get is you're getting this piece to actually put your phone on the side, which allows you to actually lock this piece onto this bar right here. So you can put your phone on the side. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. Okay. Everything else that's in here, let's pull it out. Okay. There we go. So there's the phone holder that you're going to get. And then let's check out this box in here. So there's your 6-inch ring light right here. There's going to be your 6-inch ring light. Remote control, USB power. You can plug into your laptop, you can plug into a wall jack that has USB power. Here's your tripod head right here. I'm going to unpackage this tripod head just to take it out. So I have it out right here. I'm just going to talk about this a little bit too. So with this tripod head, as you can see, there's a little ball right here. This allows you to pan and tilt your ring light. So this is the key to grip it, where you can actually grip it really hard and doesn't move, or you can loosen it and the grip comes off and you can actually see that the ball rolls around. So we're just going to leave it upright where I'm doing this video. I'm going to grip it tight and screw this one down because this will go into the ring light bottom, which is this gold piece right here. Now, one note that I just want to note about this is that I noticed that this one doesn't have an instruction booklet, but I've done enough ring lights to know how to assemble it. So if you just follow this video, if you don't have the instruction booklet, if you were to get one of these, just follow the video and it's pretty easy. So you're going to use the tripod head, you're going to stick it under the ring light. You stick it tight. Okay, so once it's there, now you can actually attach it to the tripod. So again, unscrew the black piece, as I mentioned earlier. And screw the tripod legs or extendables over 5 feet. I would say it's probably 6 feet tripod onto the ring light. Voila, it's in there. So now you have your ring light there. So let's go ahead and put the other pieces on. So this is going to be to hold your phone. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this out of the pack. And you're going to get to unpack the phone holder too, which is this piece right here. And with the phone holder, you can see there's a screw on the back. It's in gold, the little opening with the screw valves in there. You're going to take this phone holder piece. You can call it the phone holder head if you like, but you're going to just screw the screw side. There's only one side that has a screw. You're going to screw it in there. So you can screw it on the bottom of it, or if you like, you can also screw it on the side of it, which is on this side there's a little hole. So you can screw it in there too. So let's grab an iPhone. This is an old iPhone. It's stretchable. Just put it in there and make sure that fits. Boom, right there. So on this thing, as I mentioned earlier, this is going to go onto the tripod leg upper torsos. So you're going to unscrew this piece right here. So it's loose. Then you're going to unscrew this piece. And when you do that, what you're releasing is you're going to release just release a little bit more. You can call it like a jaws, the jaws of the mouth, because this piece right here is actually going to go to the tripod, which I have right here. Just get rid of the line. It's going to go onto the tripod, this piece right here. See, as you can see, the jaws are going to go in there. You're going to lock it up right there. You're going to pull this piece that came off it, stick it back on, push it in. Actually, hold on a minute. Actually, it's going to go on here. I actually had it going on to this piece right here, which comes off. So not here, like I did. Actually goes in here. So it's like, again, you're going to have this jaws right here, the mouth. Open it, hold it tight. It's together, right? You can see right there it's together. This piece that swings, swing it in, and turn it to screw it in. when you're screwing, it's going to create pressure and it's going to lock it in there for you. See? Okay, so it's already coming in and locking. Okay. And you can screw this to lock it to this one right here. So you have two areas. You can lock it with this and this together to make sure that it's locked. So this locks the mouth. This actually locks the base where it just creates pressure to lock it in. Now let's untangle the wire here. So this is your USB and power along with the remote control. Now the remote control, as you can see, is going to have, I'm just tightening the base, the little pins right here, to tighten it so the stand is still. You're gonna have the red, which is your power, minus and plus, which is your brightness levels. You can adjust it. Generally, normally 10, so you can go 10 up 10 and down 10 for the brightness level. Then you have the in between with the two lines there. Those are your modes. So your modes are your warm, cool, and light modes, brightness. So I'm just sticking it in there. Okay. So when you stick it into a USB outlet for juice or power, it's going to come on. So I'm going to, that's your on and on switch. So I'm going to click this. Now that I have it on, I just want to mention, for safety purposes, when you want to turn it back off, make sure you turn it off before you put a USB, you know, just to take a precaution. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I would assume that this is your warm light. So let's just go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 increase. So it's 10 brightness levels. The switch off. This is your other mode right there. And this is your cool light. Cool mode there. The cool mode. It's all white. So there you go. So this is pretty much it is. So let me just share with you what the price is on this. So, you know, it retails probably on a big box retailer, probably like $30, $35 around there. If you go to a discount retailer like me, I went to Ross. You can go like TJ Maxx or Home Goods, one of those, you know, discount areas. You can probably get it for $17. I paid $16.99 for this. So those are the places you can get it for, the price wise. Now, do I like this one? I definitely like this one. I like the tripod leg actually because it's extendable almost to 6 feet. It's over 5 feet. So this is the really tall tripod. I've done tripods before, videos where it only goes up to 4 feet, but this was over 5 feet. So you're getting a lot for the price, $16.99. You can't beat that. So I would even buy this just for the tripod legs itself. But I feel for me, because this is more for, you know, it's great if you're doing like cosmetics, if you're doing like vlogging, blogging, you know, stuff like that. But for me, because I do product reviews, I can use it, but I also like the light overhead like I have right now. So that's what I use right now. But I would definitely buy this if we're beginner starting. Now, is it convenient to bring it with you? Because of the stand, you know, it's kind of heavy and it's large. It's not as easy as it is for a table ring light where you can bring it to like a Starbucks, coffee shop, or you can bring it on an airplane. This is a little bit different, you know, because of the tripod. It's kind of heavy, and then, you know, these legs expand really wide. So that's the difference. So, you know, when you're making your choices, just look into it. I mean, I definitely think the tripod is a great value because the tripod legs are really expensive, and pay $16.99 for a light too, even though it's 6-inch and not a 10-inch or 8-inch. I think it's fine. The light's kind of small for me, but I think it works well with a lot of people. So as you can see, the phone is on the side right here. So there you go. This is the product. This is how it is assembled, and this is how it is with power. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, added some value. If so, please hit the like button. Definitely hit the subscribe button if you could. You're welcome to. I make videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I definitely want to build up my subscriber base. And leave me comments. I will respond to your comments. So till then, stay safe, and I look forward to hearing from you. Take care.